walking song. I assume everybody knows what a walking song is. You always, I will not assume knowledge. And will I assume that you all know? Okay. No child of mine will ever have to dip her hands in urine Mum used to keep, speaking of her younger days when she'd mucked out byres, walked, piss-drenched tweed, stretched on a table, a tug and pull to make all fit for the full tug and pull of weather, with women weaving songs together, chanting nonsense rhymes, creating words and sounds to help keep time with their labour, neighbours' voices intertwining from croft houses all around. No child of mine, and yet I'm forced to keep changing sheets, the fine bed linen of one who sleeps, disturbed by urges that leave him steeped in urine, wakened nightly by alarms and soaked pyjamas, and I long these hours for songs that might assist me in my labours. Some neighbours who will chant out Gaelic incantations, songs and airs to keep at bay the idiocies of ageing, the work that's woven in us